How do indexes work in MongoDB? Think of your database like a music app. Imagine opening this app and needing to scroll through every song just to find one track. Song after song, album after album. You'll get there eventually, but as your library grows, so does the weight. Now, this music app does have one speedy way to skip to a song. Every track has an internal ID number behind the scenes. If you somehow memorized these numbers, the app could snap straight to any song instantly. But of course, nobody thinks that way. That's like the default index on _ID in MongoDB. It's a perfect shortcut, but only if you already know the exact ID you're looking for. Additional indexes in MongoDB are like different track lists in your music app, organized by artist, genre, or decade. Instead of scrolling through every song, the music app can jump straight to the results that match those track lists. Need to get specific? No problem. Multi-key indexes work like tagging a song with multiple artists in your music app, like a collaboration between Beyoncé and Kendrick Lamar. No matter which artist you search for, the track pops right up. You can also use partial indexes to include only the documents that meet a certain condition, like a playlist of just your high-tempo workout songs. Because the index is smaller and more focused, it's faster to maintain and perfect for queries you run on repeat. Indexes keep your queries in rhythm, so every search hits the right note. Find what you're looking for faster and keep grooving with MongoDB.